Which finding, if true, would most directly weaken the underlined claim? Puerto Rico is an island in the Caribbean Sea. Indigenous people there started raising guinea pigs about 1700 years ago. Guinea pigs had originally been domesticated much earlier in both Colombia and Peru. So were guinea pigs brought to Puerto Rico from Colombia or from Peru? Ancient Caribbean trade routes connected Puerto Rico with Colombia, but not with Peru. Therefore, guinea pigs in Puerto Rico probably came from Colombia and descended from Colombian guinea pigs. So the text highlights how it highlights the island of Puerto Rico in the Caribbean Sea, and how guinea pigs were raised there 1700 years ago. And it highlights how these guinea pigs originally came from Colombia or Peru, and it questions whether they came from either Colombia or Peru. And then it points to the Caribbean trade routes and highlights how the trade routes connected Puerto Rico with Colombia, but not with Peru. So therefore, it means that the guinea pigs in Puerto Rico probably came from Colombia and descended from Colombian guinea pigs rather than Peruvian guinea pigs. So with this information, let's look at the answer choices. A. Ancient guinea pigs in Puerto Rico were genetically less similar to ancient guinea pigs in Colombia than to ancient guinea pigs in Peru. So this seems to be the correct answer because this would most directly weaken the underlying claim. To weaken this claim, any link between Puerto Rican guinea pigs and Peru guinea pigs would disprove this claim, which is that Puerto Rico guinea pigs descended from Colombian guinea pigs, not Peruvian guinea pigs. But in this sentence, it highlights how guinea pigs in Puerto Rico were genetically less similar to guinea pigs in Colombia than to guinea pigs in Peru. Therefore, the ancient guinea pigs in Puerto Rico were more similar to guinea pigs in Peru than in Colombia. So this weakens the underlying claim. So overall, A seems to be the correct answer. B. Guinea pigs are common in ancient Puerto Rican art, especially in pottery. This is incorrect because the claim here is that guinea pigs in Puerto Rico came from Colombia, descended from Colombian guinea pigs. To weaken this claim, we have to make a connection between Puerto Rican guinea pigs and Peruvian guinea pigs. The fact that guinea pigs are common in ancient Puerto Rican art doesn't support this goal. Therefore, this is clearly incorrect. C. Modern breeds of guinea pigs don't look like images of guinea pigs in ancient art from Puerto Rico, Colombia, and Peru. This is incorrect because this is completely unrelated to the claim in the sentence, because it doesn't matter whether or how the guinea pigs of today look like compared to guinea pigs in the ancient times. So we can clearly eliminate option choice C. D. The guinea pig population of ancient Colombia was much larger than the guinea pig population of ancient Peru. This is incorrect because comparing the population of guinea pigs in Colombia to the population of guinea pigs in Peru doesn't tell whether the Puerto Rican guinea pigs came from Peru or from Colombia, and it certainly doesn't weaken the underlying claim. Therefore, we can obviously eliminate option choice D. And with that, we can tell that the correct answer is A.